Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I'm fixing a recycled meal. Okay, we're still eating this Brussels sprouts and potato concoction I made. I don't know why I be cooking so much, y'all. Like all the kids still at home. But anyway, my daughter Jackie, she brought over some ribs and chicken and hot links and hamburgers that she had previously smoked, and she said we could have the rest. So it's her leftovers, so we're recycling barbecue. It's all good. So don't throw that food away, we'll take it. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all. Okay, I'm using my Presto electric skillet to recycle it. So it's warm. So we got ribs. And it smells like I barbecued in here. I added more sauce. I sliced the hot links in half. I sliced the hamburgers in half. There's a burger. There's a hot link. There's chicken. And there's some rib tips in here too. A lot of ribs. I'll show you the other stuff. So yeah, we're still eating this. So I got about this much more in the fridge. So of course the bacon ain't crispy anymore, but the rest of it is still good. I added a little more seasoning because I added water to it. And we're gonna eat this food, y'all. So maybe this will be the thumbnail. And my electric skillet. Try to lit off. Presto electric skillet. And I got it on warm, so it keeps cycling on and off. When the light is on, that's when it's heating up a little bit. So, okay. I'm trying to embrace my greatness. G-R-E-Y-T, as in gray hair. So I just cut a little bit because I wasn't sure I was going to keep wearing. It needs to be thicker. This little bangs Walt looked at me and he laughed. Felt like punching him. But anyway, I'm embracing my greatness. I'm tired of dyeing my edges. And I like this ponytail. So more gray around my edges. Okay, this is me in all my glory. Okay, so y'all want to see me eat a rib? Try this. Dripping on my clothes. I'm gonna turn this off. Better still unplug it. Can't stand that screeching noise. Okay. I like the little bitty bones. Walter likes all of them. Okay. And I mainly like it. What was that? I don't know what that was. I mainly like the rib tips. Got a rib tip and a rib. It's pretty hot. That was a little bitty, teeny bite. Very tender. Good. Doctored them up to my satisfaction. Let me eat this piece of rib tip. Good, tender, seasoned, saucy. Okay. I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, a greasy thumb up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the Sunday. It's 2:20 p.m. here. Okay. Bye. Bon appetit.